You're about to learn how to turn your agent into a super agent. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take one tool with one command and be able to connect your agent, whether it's an OpenClaw agent, a Hermes agent, a Claude code agent, doesn't matter, with one tool, connect it to thousands of different apps with one click. It is a game changer. Really wish I would have known this earlier. It would have made my life 10 times easier, but I'm going to give you the sauce right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with this one tool. All right, I'm not affiliated in any way with this company. The company's called Composio. I just genuinely think it's cool and useful, and I've been tinkering with it. I'm going to show you a use case in this video of how I've been using it and how I'm going to use it. And it's free. So that's the best part. It's free. It's easy to set up, and we're going to get into it right now. What apps can you set up with Composio? Well, pretty much any of them, like all the main stuff most people use. Obviously, Gmail, social media platforms, Stripe for finance data, anything really. There's a ton. I'm going to skim through them. You'll see, and just makes it real simple to connect this to your agent. And honestly, your agent is only as powerful and as valuable as the apps it can connect with and do things with, right? Like if I want to auto post on Instagram, which I'm going to show you in this video how to do, and build carousels and whatever, I need my agent to be able to do that for me just by talking to it. I'm going to show you where to go exactly and how to do this, but you're going to copy and paste a command into your agent and then log in, and then it's connected, and you do that once, you're good. You don't have to do it a million times. Composio just makes it so easy to connect your agent to multiple softwares, and you just jump over to composio.dev and click get started and create an account. Once your account is created, it's super simple. You jump over to install over here on the left, and you can install into multiple different platforms. OpenClaw works with Hermes too, so it's the same install command. And then you make sure it's CLI. CLI has a little bit more capabilities, so just toggle over to CLI and then just hit copy. And then give that shit to your agent and he's rocking. Whether it's Hermes, OpenClaw, doesn't matter. Give this to your agent. He'll know what to do and he'll get connected to Composio. Now look at all the different apps you can connect. Obviously, I've connected some basic ones like Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, that kind of thing. But there's so many you can connect that are very useful that most of you probably use. And once it's connected, you can just tell your agent in Telegram or Discord or however you're talking to your agent just to do things. And it already has the connection through Composio and can go and do it. It's pretty awesome. It's seamless. I didn't run into any hiccups yet. It's working pretty well. And the best part, it's free. So you get up to 20,000 tool calls a month for free, which is a lot. Like that's a lot of tool calls. You probably won't hit that mark. So most likely it's going to be free for you forever. But it looks like if you're trying to build a software and have a ton of users and you need a lot of tool calls, there's payment plans for that. But I barely used any. I guess certain tools will use more tool calls than others, but I've used like 50 in the last couple of days. So not really that much. So pretty much it's free. And make sure you click for you, because this is where you'll connect up all your apps, and this is how you connect it to like a third party, OpenClaw, Hermes, whatever. If you're using Cowork, you can easily just go to your connector settings in Cowork, just copy and paste this into your connector settings and create a custom connector. And then it'll have you log into Composio, and then boom, now you have all these apps on Cowork, which is pretty cool because Cowork is limited on the direct app connections that are available. So this just opens up a whole new world on Cowork. You're like, all right, sick, cool. You can connect a bunch of apps. I want to see a use case. Zach, what's the use case? Let me give you one. There's a billion use cases, and it depends on what you're trying to do, what your workflow is. But I'm going to give you one. I love carousels. I think they are very effective, and I want to post more carousels on my Instagram, but I don't want to go on Canva and manually create them. I want my OpenClaw agent, Max. If you guys don't know, Max is the homie. And I want him to, one, create me a carousel, and two, automatically post it on my Instagram with the caption and do it all in minutes. So we're going to have him do that. This is the stack I'm using to do that. So I'm using Composio, which I logged into Instagram through Composio, gave it access to post, which is really easy. It's like 2 clicks. So you search Instagram on Composio, click log in. That's it. I don't think I have to show you guys. I think you can figure that one out. And then also I've given my personal OpenClaw agent, I've given it a Nano Banana access, but I did that through a Gemini API key. So I've had this for a while. It's just a Gemini API key. So that has Nano Banana. You don't have to use Nano Banana. You can use, I don't know, like OpenAI's Image Gen 2 or whatever. But I just wanted to use this to create my carousels and just make it easy. So I'm using Instagram through Composio and then Nano Banana, and my agent's going to do the rest. All right, I'm thinking about creating an engaging carousel that has maybe 5 slides. And on the 5th slide, will be my call to action, which is to follow me. Really basic, really simple. I can do any call to action like link in bio or whatever, but let's just say follow me, right, for more. And I'm thinking I want to make a carousel using my dark tech theme, which is like just a cool theme I have for a lot of my content. And I want it to talk about how AI agents are the future. And in the next 12 months, there'll be a huge divide between people that have agents and ones that don't. And it'll be kind of weird not to have your own little buddy, your own little agent doing life with you, right? So yeah, just to create curiosity and share some of my opinions. And maybe I'll have it do some research on why that's true. So let's jump on over to Max. All right, let's jump on over to Max. I'm going to talk to him in Telegram, tell him the exact carousel I want built, what tools to use, and what to do. And I want to verify it looks good, and then I'll just tell him to post it. Yo, Max, I need you to cook up something for me here. I am making a YouTube video trying to showcase a little bit of what Composio can do with Instagram and Nano Banana. Let's cook up a carousel. So my idea is I want to create a carousel using my Instagram carousel skill. So it's like that dark tech theme. It'll have the right dimensions already because you know what that is. And I want you to create a carousel that's 5 slides. It'll pull my picture in as well, you know, from my YouTube. So it has a picture of me in there. And have it be, larger font, clean, easy to visualize, some nice little visuals in there as well. And the theme of it is basically, I want to educate people on AI agents, how they are the future, and how there's going to be a divide because basically, if you don't have an AI agent or a little executive assistant with you every day, you are going to fall behind. And there's going to be people that have agents, people that don't. And there's going to be major benefits to having one for leverage, growth, momentum, building your business, and just like doing a bunch of tedious stuff, buying back your time so you can focus on what you actually love. And then there's going to be people that don't have agents, and they are going to feel a little left behind, a little slower, and are going to want an agent because they're going to realize their peers are light years ahead of them. So if you need to do a little bit of research, go ahead and do that. Let's use the Gemini API key, Nano Banana, to create these slides. And then let me see what these 5 slides look like. Review them to make sure they're looking quality before you send them to me here on Telegram. And then I'm going to give you the thumbs up when it's ready to automatically post this carousel to Instagram. Guys, those of you that are wondering, I used all right, for those of you wondering, I use WhisperFlow to talk to text. It's a lot faster than me typing this shit. And plus, you guys don't want to sit and listen and watch me type for the next 30 minutes. So talk to text, way faster, way more productive. I just hit enter. Max is getting after it. He's cooking. He's going to make these slides. As soon as he's done, I'm going to show you. All right, Max just finished cooking. Let's take a quick look. There's about to be a divide. Oh shit, that grabs my attention. All right. And then it even came up with a caption with hashtags, all that. People with it, people without, the ones that, okay. I might edit that a little bit, but not too bad. And then this is the next slide. Some will have agents, most won't. Agents equal leverage, time, growth, momentum, buy back time, scale fast, focus on craft, compound daily. Without one, you are the bottleneck. Drowning in tedious work, competitors finish in hours, it takes you days. This is kind of covering up, so I might have them just fix that a little bit. And then, yeah, this is a little off kilter. But other than that, that looks pretty good. not too bad. So what I'm going to do, because you know, there's that possibility that he doesn't nail it first time. So I'm just going to paste this in here and then tell him to fix it. Looks like at the bottom of the red slide, there's like a black background around my name. And it also looks pretty blurry. It's hard to read. You can either just remove that if that's easier completely, or you can just fix that. And then also on the final slide, the picture of me is not very centered. You just have to move it down a little bit so it looks a little cleaner. Can you fix that for me? All right, look, he removed the image there. It looks a lot cleaner. Dude, I couldn't make this in Canva in a million years. Look at how fucking fresh that looks. It looks really, really good. And that, like, without one, you are the bottleneck. You know, that it's like, oh shit, I don't want to be the bottleneck. And then this looks a lot cleaner. I think I'm good with that. It's not perfect, but good enough. All right. So what I'm going to do is actually upload the 5 slides that are good and clean into Telegram and then tell them to post it. All right. These 5 slides look great. Let's go ahead and auto post these to my Instagram. We'll start with the first one, which is there's about to be a divide, and then go down the list to the last one, which side will you be on? And we'll use the caption you came up with. You can remove the hashtags. I don't think I want hashtags on there. And go ahead and post it to Instagram for me, and then let me know when you're done. All right, that was fast. That literally took 1 minute to post to Instagram. Let's take a look what he came up with. So let's click it. It's going to pull up my IG. Here we go. It's live with my caption. Yep, no hashtags. 41 seconds ago. So we literally did it in like 20 seconds. And we go through, wow, look at that. And it's the right dimensions, clean. I love it. Sweet. Yeah, it looks good. So if I go here, I hit refresh, it should be there. There it is, right here. Dude, that's awesome. If you guys don't follow me yet, go ahead and follow me. That'd be cool. Just go to Zach_Babiars and give me a follow. I'd appreciate that. And come show some love on this post. Give it a heart, comment. Let me know if you watch this video. If you comment on this post, let me know you watch this video. I'll say what's up in the DMs. I'm trying to be as good at responding as I possibly can and respond to all the comments. So drop a comment below if you want to see another use case. You want to see something cool with agents. I'm doing a lot of fun stuff. I'm building with agents. I'm doing live streams, building with agents. I'm learning as much as possible to get you guys up to speed so you don't be on the other side of the divide, right? You guys leverage these tools and take full advantage of this AI gold rush. It's exciting. We are in very, very exciting times. Also, if you want to jump into zachbabiars.com, you can book a call with me. I know a lot of people want to learn more. They want to go deeper. You can book a call with me here. You can find my Instagram here, just zachbabiars.com. And I think I'm going to do this for you guys. I'm also going to, I'm going to do this. Why not? I'm going to give you the exact prompt and everything you need to have this skill, and that way you can create your own reels very easily. So just go to agentcommandkit.com. And this will be free. Just go to skills library. I'll put it in here. I got some other skills in here. I got a bunch of other videos with other prompts like memory upgrades and things like that. So you can watch my other videos, but I'll give this exact thing to you guys as well. Why not? It's going to be free as well. So with that, like, comment, subscribe, hype the video. Let me know what I should make next. What do you want to see? I got you. Whatever you need, I'm here to help you level up in your agent game. So with that, see you in the next one.